I just want my manager to also be now like, fuck it. I am not Arne Slot out, but I want some answers, and I'm placing I'm
I
placing the blame on I'm placing some of the blame on journalists, because I'm like, you guys are asking very shitty questions. Just me, he's just giving the same diplomatic answers, and because of that, it is coming out as like these are excuses, this that blah blah blah. जब तुम हर गेम में उसको यही चीज एक ही चीज पूछते रहोगे, so there is no point. Like, I want somebody, if a journalist is listening to this, you know what? I will cut this out and put it out as a reel so that it might reach a larger audience. But like, I want somebody to ask Arne Slot if he has these two options. One is to play a youngster rather than a senior player, because senior players are not available. To first option is to play a youngster who has played in that position versus play a senior player out of position in that position. So
senior
there's a
player out
level.
of position.
No, but
Senior player.
but again, like, I want, then we
Arne
need
Slot
an
to answer.
Arne Slot to answer it. Where does he think that there is a perceived advantage? Is it there in every single case? Because like, start of the season when we had right back problems and we had to play Newcastle away because of the Isak saga, it was going to be hostile. I understand you would not want to start a youngster there away from home in such a hostile atmosphere. When it was Arsenal at home, uske baad, I still understand. Like, you want expertise, you want reliability, वगैरह वगैरह. But like, you cannot tell me that every single game is like that. Kabhi na kabhi to you have to, like, but he's not using any youngsters. Using youngsters
Hmm.
has been a part of our culture for a
Which
long time.
youngster?
But Kelleher was from academy, Curtis Jones from academy, Trent Alexander is from academy, Kwanzaa was from academy,
But only
Tyler Morton, Jaden Dance, ये पूरी टीम जिससे तुमको कैरेबाओ कप में हराया है was from our academy other than Virgil van Dijk. What the fuck are you talking about?
And Curtis.
And Curtis and Harvey Elliott and Kelleher. Kelleher was a very
Used
big.
extensively.
He was used extensively because Ali को हर season एक ना एक injury तो होता ही है. He's always used. He's extensively used. So I just want.
What
I
two months
want.
is not extensive.
But it's consistently season after season after season. And then दो चीजें होंगी, या तो he becomes a first team player, या तुमने उसका stock इतना rise करवा दिया that you get good money and they leave.
Hmm.
It's just pure profit. But then at the same time, I'm like, अभी हमारे पास कोच
Like
भी
Trent,
नहीं है.
na?
हाँ?
Like Trent.
पैसों की बारिश.
अरे यार, I know there are a lot of rumors of like United, City. There are a lot of teams who are apparently okay to sign Trent. And like, bro, घर आ जा तू. It's okay. It's okay. I hate you
No.
for what you did, but like, it's okay. घर आ जा. Like, we just like, let's
Not-
start that thing again on right hand
He's
side.
not
that
coming.
साला.
He's not.
No,
If
no,
he
no.
comes back to
See,
Prem, he's
देखो,
not coming.
AFCON is till 19 Jan. Like, थोड़ा time लो, सोचो. Like, just come back. ठीक है, हम 19th Jan साला को आने दो, and then like, let's just start it again, man. Just like, bring it back. I will take him. I hate him, but I will take him. He will get booed, I think, but I will take him. Like, for him to leave for free and then he comes back and we have to pay money for him, he will get booed. But like, bring him back, yaar. ले आओ वापस.
Not happening. Not happening. Don't see that
I
happening.
mean, it's better than going to United or something.
Still, he won't come back to Liverpool. Not happening.
मर जा फिर. But yeah, I want answers, and I also want answers from my sporting directors. And like, अगर तुमको यही था कि academy इतना use होना चाहिए, तो जब तुम interview कर रहे थे आर्ने स्लॉट को, तब क्यों नहीं बात करी तुमने? Now you cannot be leaking these stories कि अरे Arne Slot is not involving
But-
youngsters as much as we wanted. And like, ये सारी चीजें तुम hiring के पहले क्यों नहीं बात करते हो?
पहले बोला होगा मैं कर दूंगा, अभी नहीं कर.
हाँ, जॉब के लिए तो झूठ बोलते ही है ना, हम सब बोलते
हैं.
हाँ. Everyone lies.
Come on.
Yeah.
I mean,
Everyone lies.
I
मेरा
get it.
रोज का काम है
I get
झूठे
it,
लोगों को
I get
निकालना.
it, everyone, I get it, everyone lies, but I'm like,
हायर करना.
नहीं, I
नहीं
get it,
निकालना.
everyone,
वो
Oh,
पकड़े जाए फिर निकालना ना.
okay, HR conference. Chop. I'm saying, ठीक है. Okay, understood. He lied. Okay, but then you saw last year he did not use any academy player, but there was no problem because we were winning the Premier League, we were winning matches, we went on a run, this that blah blah blah, जो भी है. पर तुमने देख लिया कि भाई ने इंटरव्यू में कुछ और बोला था, but अभी करा नहीं है. Get rid of him. And tell him to change some things. Otherwise, tell him that then this is antithetical to what we want to do as a club, and as a management, what we want and how we want the club run. And so, unfortunately, this is not going to work out for us. Do that.
They
But like,
need to pay the severance. na?
my point is that
Hmm.
it's anyways a 2-year contract. So like it says they are now, I think, not even in talks for over an extension now. But my point is that ki abhi, now that there is so much turbulent time, I don't want these leaks happening ki oh matlab like the management or coach का like academy को लेके ये चल रहा है वो चल रहा है. Like नहीं, ये सारा चीजें तुम तब करो ना जब तुम कुछ कर सकते हो. I mean, like, I don't want to go the United route and just sack the manager, have an interim manager, and like most likely the interim manager they were going to bring Gerrard, and Gerrard के साथ already इतना emotion मेरे को नहीं चाहिए. I don't want an ex-player to come back and manage. ना Gerrard चाहिए ना Xabi Alonso चाहिए. I don't want it. You don't come in with that amount of emotion. Like you come in like a Klopp who is like who had a track record at Dortmund. He came, then he created a bond with the city. You come with that, that is not a problem. But somebody who already has so much perception and like so much emotion attached to the fan base, I don't want that to happen. Like हम काफी
But
emotional
okay,
लोग हैं.
okay, is it? I mean, understand the management and everything. God, like completely understand that. But the fans also, the fans give Klopp hell lot of time compared to how much they are right now tolerating Arne Slot. Klopp also had shitty results. Klopp has also had shitty seasons as well. Klopp was not so much, at the target of the fans as well. Like management, I understand every management is impatient. Unko sambhalna techniques and all. It's different. It's difficult. All get it. But fans have also become very toxic towards Arne Slot as well. Like,
I know that, and I think there are a couple of reasons. One, Klopp was not backed the way Arne Slot is backed, money wise. Like you look at the kind of signings that we have done.
Anyone.
ठीक है. Second is it's the brand of football. क्लॉप के उसमें क्या था, क्लॉप के उसमें डज नॉट मैटर दैट रिजल्ट क्या है, इट डज नॉट मैटर कितने प्लेयर्स अवेलेबल है. हैवी मेटल मतलब हैवी मेटल, सब हैवी मेटल ही खेल रहे हैं, एंड यू आर ऑलवेज वॉचिंग हैवी मेटल फुटबॉल, एंड हैवी मेटल फुटबॉल इज ऑलवेज गोइंग टू बी एंटरटेनिंग, इट इज ऑलवेज गोइंग टू बी अटैकिंग. सो दे वर लाइक अरे यार चलो हार गए बट एटलीस्ट वी गेव एवरीथिंग. That thing is also missing. Third, I think, is this again, this thing of like I want answers. The reason I want answers is because I'm like तुम्हारे पास लेफ्ट विंग पे कोडी गैक्पो नहीं वर्क कर पाया. Like last year the good thing was that Cody Gakpo, Luis Diaz, we had two very good left wingers which were very different players. Now this year it was like कि Luis Diaz gaya and Rio Moha is going to be Luis Diaz, but he's not getting Luis Diaz minutes. Like last year जितना Luis Diaz खेला था, Rio Moha is not getting those minutes.
Not
Why?
even 1%, I think.
Yeah, exactly. Chiesa is not getting minutes. Why? Like, and it is not just about that. It is also about like some of the most like poor performing players are still starting week after week after week. You're not changing anything. The identity of like attacking football, like we all know, क्योंकि हमने सबने देख लिया था last year that he's not going to play heavy metal football, but it was not as boring to watch as this was.
but okay. Last season, okay. I might be wrong. You might see it differently, but last season, I think the players were so linked together because it was that
हाँ हाँ.
same group that played with Klopp that was playing last season also. I think only one or two had left, but everyone else was the same only.
Hmm.
So I think they did not even listen to Arne Slot and they were just
Yeah.
playing how they used to play.
Could be, but it was also
Because
like he did not want
because
to
even the
change
old
enough.
players, even the players who used to play in the Klopp era are not playing in the same way right now. Right now
Yeah,
they are
yeah,
just
yeah.
like so laid back. They're like, हाँ क्या उसके पास बॉल है, हाँ देख तू,
Huh, so
मैं इधर खेल के
it's
आता
that
है.
loss of identity also. It's the thing is that again, and the reason I think fan base का reaction इस तरह का है ना कि like these are now the soft skills and so like this intangible things that Klopp left us. Like एक point of time
Hmm.
के बाद we all knew Klopp will not be our manager. एक point of time के बाद हमको ये भी पता था कि Klopp ने जिन players के साथ लीग जीता है, Klopp जिन players को club में लेकर आया, there is going to come a day that those players are also not going to be with us. Like that is just
Hmm.
it's a fact of life. It's how football works, right? Those people, all
Yeah,
players, either they're going to retire or they're going to move
that's
on to
life,
another
not
club.
just football.
That,
That's
huh,
life. You
exactly.
are.
So but these things, no, ki, like this the way the youth academy is treated, the way they are integrated into the first team, the way we play attacking football, the way we have like that passion, that effort that is on the field, and usko dekh ke the way the Anfield rises and जो chanting होता है this that blah blah blah, all of these things that are intangible now, when fans are seeing that, even that is slipping away. Like every tangible thing जो Klopp को belong करता है वो तो चलो जाएगा ही जाएगा because that is life, but like all these softer aspects or intangible aspects of what Klopp left us is also going, and that I think is also kind of piling on to the anger that and the frustration. Like तो result तो टट्टी है ही, तुम फुटबॉल भी बेकार खेल रहे हो, और जितना कोच क्लॉप हमको दे के गया था, छोड़ के गया था, जितना हमारी आइडेंटिटी बना के गया था, तुम लाइक यू आर डिस्ट्रॉइंग एवरीथिंग. आई डोंट थिंक इट इज दैट एक्सट्रीम. आई थिंक दैट लाइक टेकन इनटू कॉन्टेक्स्ट, जिस तरह से हम लोग गेम्स हार रहे थे तीन गोल के, उससे आर्ने स्लॉट का फर्स्ट वो ये था कि अटैक जाए भाड़ में, वी नीड टू बिकम डिफिकल्ट टू स्कोर अगेंस्ट, वी नीड टू स्टॉप कंसीडिंग. And he has done that to an extent, but at the same time now I think it is time for him to also धीरे धीरे कि हम भाई attacking wise हम क्या कर सकते हैं. We can't just be like we just need to not concede. That is not how you are going to win games.
Yeah, that's a very Arteta
Yeah,
mentality.
yeah. And we never want that to be our mentality. So I see the point, the fan point of view also, I see Slot's point of view also, and that is why I am neither slot in or slot out. I'm like I want
But
somebody to
I
ask
don't
him better
understand.
questions, and I want to listen to his answers so that I can make my mind. Because as of
No,
right now,
but
we see
every no,
very
no, no. So
little
every
of what
time
is.
you guys have a shit match, you guys like draw to someone or you guys lose a match, I just want the manager to come out and say, yes, it was a shitty result. It's not about taking the blame. It's at least take the accountability of the blame.
He does not take accountability the same way people want to hear him take accountability.
No, he
He's
does not
he
take accountability in any way. Like,
No,
okay,
no, he does.
most of
He
the
does. He does. He does. He said that right now,
It's my
people.
fault.
He said, yes, he said that it is my fault. He said that right now teams have a way to play against us and we don't have an answer for it. So it is my fault. He has done those things. But it is not the way fans want him to answer. वो किस तरह
possible.
का, वो किस तरह से चाहते हैं कि अगर उनसे पूछा जाता है इस रिजल्ट के बाद, तो अगर मेरे दिमाग में यही कि मैं ऐसे आंसर करती हूँ, एंड आर्ने स्लॉट हैज नॉट सेड दैट, देन इट्स अ प्रॉब्लम. इट डज नॉट मैटर. सब लोगों का अकाउंटेबिलिटी लेने का तरीका अलग है, पहली बात. दूसरी बात, पर्सनैलिटी, डच पीपल वेरी स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड, दे डोंट डू डिली डाली, इधर उधर घुमा फिरा के बात करना बहुत कम. ही इज गोइंग टू गिव यू अ पीआर आंसर, बट ही इज गोइंग टू गिव यू अ स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड पीआर आंसर, like in PR language. Third is he's also not talking in his like first language, so usse bhi there could be some things could be lost in translation and everything. And fourth, I think the biggest thing is he's not Klopp. He's not
No, no.
Klopp.
I mean, I was not
He does
comparing
not.
it
No.
with Klopp.
Not you. I'm saying for Liverpool fans, he's not Klopp.
Yeah.
He does not have the charisma. He does not have the energy of Klopp. He does not have the character of Klopp. And now that we are seeing everything slip away, it just seems like an attack on what Klopp's legacy was.
Mhm.
So I think results भी बेकार हैं, and ये सब जो भी हो रहा है, all of this is just, that is why I think this is becoming toxic. Because last year also when we were drawing games, we were like, I was listening to all the Liverpool fans online and they were like, not the result we wanted, but कोई बात नहीं, 1 point away is still like 1 point is still better than no points at all, this that blah blah blah, and like, and we move on, this that. Now that is not the case.
Yeah, because like
नहीं,
तुम
but
at least
then
दो
I
तीन
think,
मैच जीतो,
no, but
एक
I
ड्रॉ
also
करो.
think, it's because जब हम स्टार्टिंग में 5 गेम जीते थे ना, लास्ट मिनट करके, तो सबने ना अपने दोस्तों को बोला था, ओ देखो लिवरपूल अभी देखो हम वापस रिटेन करेंगे एंड उसके बाद व्हेन वी स्टार्टेड नोज डाइविंग और सबने इनका लेना वापस स्टार्ट करा है ना, तो और ज्यादा फ्रस्ट्रेशन बाहर आ रहा है. Everybody is like shit. We did too much.
Possible. It could be.
True.
It could be frustration, but yeah,
Yeah,
let's
but
see.
some journalists, I want you to ask better questions. You know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to make a list of some of these questions and then just tweet or like DM them. I'm like, hey, can you just ask these questions? Please, you never know. You
To
never
our
know.
listeners.
You never know. And like, I don't want credit. I want answers. Just ask this question. Please, can you ask this
Mm.
question for me? Yeah, that is what I want.